Are you searching for a simple, effective way to manage your money that works? Whether you are just starting out in your 20s or navigating new financial goals in your 60s, the 70-20-10 budget plan might be the answer you are looking for. This budgeting method is designed to be straightforward, making it easy for anyone to follow, regardless of financial experience or background. By dividing your income into three clear categories, the 70-20-10 plan helps you prioritize your essential expenses, enjoy your life, and build a secure financial future, all at the same time. Let us break down exactly how the 70-20-10 budget plan works. The idea is to take your total monthly income, after taxes, and divide it into three portions. 70% of your income goes toward your needs, which include essential expenses like housing, groceries, utilities, transportation, and insurance. 20% is dedicated to your wants, which covers things like dining out, entertainment, hobbies, and vacations. The final 10% is set aside for savings or paying off debt, which is crucial for building financial security and achieving your long-term goals. This simple structure makes it easy to see where your money is going and where you may need to adjust. Let us start with the largest chunk, 70% for needs. These are the non-negotiable expenses that you must cover every month. Think about your rent or mortgage, utility bills, groceries, transportation costs like gas or public transit, and insurance premiums. To make the most of this category, track your spending over a month to see exactly where your money goes. This will help you identify areas where you might be overspending, such as a high electricity bill or frequent grocery splurges. If your needs exceed 70%, consider ways to cut back, like finding more affordable housing or reducing utility usage. Next, let us talk about wants, which take up 20% of your income. Wants are the things that make life enjoyable but are not strictly necessary. This could include eating at restaurants, streaming subscriptions, shopping for new clothes, or planning a weekend getaway. Allocating a specific portion of your income to wants allows you to enjoy these extras without guilt. It also helps prevent overspending, since you have a clear boundary. If you find yourself consistently spending more than 20% here, try to identify which wants are most meaningful and cut back on the rest. Finally, 10% of your income should go towards savings or paying off debt. This is your ticket to financial freedom, whether you are building an emergency fund, saving for retirement, or working to become debt-free. Automating your savings or debt payments each month can make this process effortless. Even if 10% feels ambitious at first, start with whatever you can manage and increase your contributions over time. The key is consistency. Every little bit adds up. To implement the 70-20-10 budget plan, start by calculating your monthly take-home income. Use a budgeting app or spreadsheet to track your expenses in each category. Review your spending regularly and adjust as needed to stay within your limits. Remember, the plan is flexible. Adjust the percentages if your situation changes, but always aim to prioritize needs, enjoy some wants, and save for your future. Following the 70-20-10 plan can reduce financial stress, increase savings, and help you enjoy life without overspending. It gives you a clear roadmap for managing your money and achieving your goals. If you are growing with this message, tap like and hit subscribe so you never miss the next step on your journey.